How's it going, guys? It's Sunday, January 23rd, 2011. I had a pretty eventful weekend. Yesterday I volunteered at a fundraiser for my orchestra's San Francisco trip. And I got two words for you. Chicken costume. But yeah, it was good. It was fun. Got like what, 3-4 hours, so it was worth it, I guess. Lots of heavy lifting, so I get to show off my guns. Oh yeah, my guns. But yeah, today I went to church, played drums. And I got a chance to go to Sushi Boat today after church. So I'm here at Sushi Boat with Alex and Lexanne. We just got done with church and we're ordering sushi right now. What did you get, Alex? I don't know what you got. What did you get?
I got tempura and takamaki sushi.
And you yelled at your dad. I'm kidding. And I got udon soup and sushi. Yeah, that's pretty good. Wow! Tempura udon. It's amazing. It was fun. I eat a lot, like a lot. First and last meal of the day. Oh yeah. Done. But I liked it. It was a little get together. That was fun. Sorry I didn't have any footage from yesterday. I didn't have a vlog from yesterday, but I did not have time to film a commentary. But I am filming one now, and I will incorporate yesterday's footage into today. So, you know, it's a little making up for lost time, I suppose. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it, actually. The time is 9:40. I am getting really good at my new sleeping regimen, so yeah. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I am going to go lift weights till I puke. Catch you guys tomorrow. Later.